What's up, y'all? Oh my goodness, I found my old photo album from when I went to Kenya, 2006, I think. I was like a third year med student, fourth year, I don't know, 2006, 7, sometime I went to Kenya. It was so fun. I'm like, look at this young girl, look how little she was and young and hasn't seen the world, hasn't had kids and married and all that kind of stuff. So just brought back a lot of memories. Super cool to see this. And so I was flipping through the pages, and that was like the dirt road. I was in Kenya, but it was a town that was like 8 hours outside of Nairobi. So I flew into Nairobi and then went to Kenya, and I was there on a mission trip to do depression screening and HIV positive individuals in the community. So part of my psychiatry paramedicine background. Look, this is my tent where I looked up every night, the single light, and there was lots of, and I had my mosquito nets. Oh, I remember that bed. So it was like a bunk bed, but I was on the bottom, of course. And the lizards would scare you at night. It was crazy. And I'm not a bug person. Most people know me, like me and bugs and crawly things, we are not gonna be friends. At all. That was my jersey that came out. You heard that? We ain't gonna be friends with the bugs and stuff. But I was there. I stayed here 2 months in this little hut. Let me see there's the little hut. That was my domicile, my hut made out of clay or earth and clay and all kinds of stuff. I don't know. I saw them put up a hut like this when I was there. And then we installed a water well in this village, all kinds of cool stuff. But I had lots of great memories. I guess puppies gave birth. They're cute. My kids want a puppy right now. This is the Nile River. Oh my goodness, that's so cool. I whitewater rafted in the Nile River, and that was overlooking it in Uganda. We had to cross the border to Uganda. We were closer to Uganda than and from Nairobi. So I need a map now to find anything. But I did this all, my little baby self. So go travel, go see the world. The core passport, we're gonna get you there. Even if you can't physically go there, I'm gonna make sure you have the cool stuff in your house. So that way you can cherish these moments. But geez, this brings back so many memories. Crazy, crazy. Oh, there's me. I'm so little and young and just younger face. It's crazy, the things that you see. So stay tuned. We'll see ya. Peace out. Travel. Go somewhere. Get lost. Have fun. See you later.